What's up guys, welcome back to the house. It's me, Packy, and today we have an awesome challenge for you. We have this $90 bowling ball about versus this $500 quantum double helix or quantum helix, I don't even know. Cheap ball versus expensive ball. We're gonna bowl half of a game with this. So we're gonna bowl the back half of a game. Obviously, you double those scores, you can figure out what that total would be at the end, but half of a game, $500 versus $100. Tune in, stay tuned, subscribe, do all that stuff, like the video, whatever you want. Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna have explosive diarrhea right now because my ball is puking so hard down lane. It's just first strike of the day. And you think I'm kidding. Oh boy. I didn't know all the lanes.
You did?
No. Was to pick one to win a PBA title. This would not be the one I wanted to shoot at. Or maybe it is. Maybe it is the spare I want to shoot at. I don't know. One for one. Oh! We won't talk about the quality of that shot. It's part of the challenges of this video is throwing one ball after the next. On top of that, the lanes aren't oiled. On top of that, 16 pounds versus 15 pounds. On top of that, I'm not that good of a bowler. Do I move? Do I throw a better shot? Maybe I'll just throw it better. I really want the cheap ball to win because I actually throw that ball. And if the quantum wins, we got some issues because it's not in my bag right now. And before you guys comment saying all I throw are purple hammers, you're right, none of these balls are in my bag, only purple hammers. That's it, it's the only ball, purple hammer. Well, it's close. Maybe I just love it because it's like a little urethane shape. A lot of early hook, kind of stops down lane. I don't know. So 2.5 frames in, we got this one right here. It's got spare strike. And the quantum, as you can see with the expensive bowling ball right there, front 3. So we got some work to do with this raw hammer. We got some work to do. Oh boy. Woo! Come on. Did you come down here to put out the house pattern for me? Push. Hey.
Tried to push.
I tried. Just too much hook out there.
No, just cut it.
I actually did that mid-swing adjustment where I just gave the elbow out. That was the mid-swing adjustment that I gave.
That's what he taught him in school, isn't it?
Yep, he did it on his own.
One.
The master.
Oh.
The whole world.
I mean, I knew it the whole way. I knew it the whole way. Speaking of bowling balls, if you guys want to subscribe to the channel and help us hit 70K, I'm giving away this bowling ball right here, which is signed by Darren Tang, a Rotogrip gem. So one of the subscribers of my channel will win it once we hit 70K, so don't forget, subscribe down below. Just hooks too much. 1. I keep, that's fair.
Is that another individual video challenge? Is the game with excuses and the game without excuses?
I don't know how to not make excuses though. I'm Mr. Excuses. This ball's too heavy. There's not enough oil on the lane. Oh my. Oh, I wish I could make this. I can't though.
You can't go fast.
Oh, beat the rake. Do I get a bonus pin for that? Should I mark it as 9?
You didn't make that, but the timing was.
I was nervous the whole time. For those of you at home, do not do that. What do I need? What do I need, a spare? More than 6? Well, can't promise that.
Oh, Mr. Confidence.
Can't promise that. I can only promise 10. Got him. Yeah. Now that I've won with the bowling ball, my explanation to you guys is you don't always need the most expensive bowling ball to score the best. Obviously that's a bad example because that ball's only expensive because it's old, but for all of you looking at the top shelf in your pro shop at the $250 bowling ball, it's not always the right ball. In fact, usually it's not. Hey! Maximum rotation. What can I say? I'm just that good. Buck 28, buck 14. What can I say? The $89 bowling ball wins. Undefeated on the channel. All right, so this ball shot obviously 256 if you double that 128. Cheap ball wins. As I said in the video, you don't always have to use the most expensive ball to have the highest score. So that is my tip for you guys for the day. And until the next one, don't forget, subscribe. Once we hit 70K, we're giving away that Darren Tang signed bowling ball. And until the next one, peace. About a $500 bowling ball. So
Order number 2, your food is ready.